So you're flying economy again. And let's be honest, it's not luxury, it's survival. Between the shrinking legroom, mystery meals, and the guy behind you using your seat as a drum, it can feel like 12 hours in a flying tin can. But guess what? The airlines may want you miserable, but you're smarter than that. Because in this video, I'm sharing 16 underrated, under-the-radar hacks that airlines would rather you never find out. From seat selection secrets to in-flight tricks flight attendants quietly respect. This is your 2025 survival guide for flying economy like a pro. And wait until tip 16, because it reveals the sneaky way airlines design your seat to keep you uncomfortable. Let's go. Tip 1. Always book in incognito mode. Ever notice how flight prices mysteriously go up the second time you check them? It's not your imagination, it's tracking. Airlines use browser cookies to jack up the price, making you panic buy. That's why the first rule of flight hunting is go incognito. Open a private tab, search fresh, and compare with a clean slate. It's like tricking the tricksters. Bonus. Clear your cookies between airlines or use a VPN to make it seem like you in a cheaper market. Yep, that $480 ticket from New York to Paris could drop to $410 just by pretending you're browsing from Romania. Airlines call it dynamic pricing, I call it sneaky. And we're not falling for it. Tip 2, the 24-hour recheck. Booked your flight? Cool, but don't walk away yet. Here's the deal most travelers miss. Many airlines let you cancel or change your booking for free within 24 hours. So if the price drops, you can rebook, no penalty. Set a flight alert, check again the next day, and if it's lower, cancel and rebook. Airlines hate this. Why? Because they count on you buying once and never looking back? But you're not most passengers, you're strategic. And speaking of strategic, tip 3 is a seat selection hack that's criminally underrated. Tip 3, use the seat block trick. Want more space without paying for business class? Here's a wild one. Book the aisle and window seats in a 3-seat row. Most people won't choose the middle seat if it's the only one left. Best case scenario? The row stays half empty and you stretch out like royalty. Worst case? You offer the middle passenger a swap, and now you're sitting next to someone who's already grateful. Airlines never promote this because it messes with their seat optimization algorithms. But it works, especially on off-peak flights or midweek departures. Welcome to the economy class loophole. Tip 4. Bring a pillowcase. Not a pillow. Let me introduce you to the pillowcase hack. Forget dragging around a U-shaped cloud that barely fits in your carry-on. Instead, pack an empty pillowcase. Before boarding, stuff it with your hoodie, scarf, even that extra pair of jeans. Boom, you've got an asterisk fully customized travel pillow made from your own stuff. Airlines see one personal item, you see neck support that doesn't suck. It's also a sneaky way to carry more soft items without your bag looking bulky. No one checks what's inside a pillowcase. It's basically free luggage with fluff. No one checks what's inside a pillowcase. It's basically free luggage with fluff. Tip 5. Get the flight attendant on your side. Tip 5. Get the flight attendant on your side. Want better snacks, quicker service, or maybe an extra blanket? Want better snacks, quicker service, or maybe an extra blanket? Here's the insider tip. Be the passenger they actually like. Say hi when you board. Make eye contact. Use their name if you catch it. Use their name if you catch it. And when service starts, say thank you, like sincerely. It sounds basic, but kindness gets noticed fast. They deal with rude people all day. A nice one, they'll remember. It sounds basic, but kindness gets noticed fast. They deal with rude people all day. A nice one, they'll remember. And if something goes wrong, like your screen doesn't work or the meal looks suspicious, they're way more likely to hook you up with a fix. Charm greater than complaints. Every time. Tip 6. Pack your own in-flight clean kit. Let's talk hygiene. Plane cabins are basically germ hotels at 30,000 feet. And that tray table, dirtier than a toilet seat? Pack a mini clean kit with disinfectant wipes, a travel-size sanitizer, and a face mist. Wipe down your tray, screen, and seatbelt buckle the moment you sit. Not only will you stay healthier, but there's something weirdly empowering about claiming your space. Add lip balm and a nose salve because the air on board is so dry it could mummify fruit. Hydrated equals happy. Tip 7. Choose flights with the newest planes. This one's subtle but huge. When booking, check the aircraft model. Airlines usually assign new planes to long-haul routes. Think Boeing 787 or Airbus A350. These aren't just shinier, they're pressurized at lower altitudes, meaning less fatigue, better humidity, and less jet lag. Old planes. Think flickering lights, broken screens, and that musty air you can't quite place. New planes. You'll actually feel kind of human when you land. Google your flight number plus aircraft model. If it's ancient, maybe skip it. Your back will thank you. Tip 8. Use your own headphones adapter. Ever plug your headphones into the seat jack and realize only one side works? Welcome to airline headphone purgatory. The secret fix? Bring a dual-prong airline headphone adapter. You can plug in your noise-canceling headphones and actually hear that movie in stereo. Game changer. Some newer planes are fixing this, but most still use ancient jacks from 2004. Don't risk listening to Dune in mono. Pack the adapter. Watch like a boss. Tip 9. Pre-board bathroom break is mandatory. This sounds obvious until you're 45 minutes into boarding and already regretting that extra latte. Use the airport bathroom right before your group is called. Why? Because once you're on the plane, it could be another hour before they let you unbuckle and stand up. That's a long time to hold it while stuck in a window seat next to two snoring strangers. Also, airplane bathrooms are tiny, bumpy, and, let's just say, not where you want to be mid-takeoff. Empty your tank before you board. It's the pre-flight ritual that saves your dignity. Tip 10. Freeze your liquids. Pack like a genius. Here's one the TSA doesn't advertise. Frozen liquids aren't considered liquids. Yep, if you freeze your water bottle solid, you can bring it through security. Just make sure there's no melt when you go through screening. It's a pro trick for staying hydrated without buying $7 airport water. You can also use frozen juice boxes, cold-soaked oats, or even frozen smoothies. They stay cold for hours and thaw mid-flight, perfect for a healthy snack at 36,000 feet. Just be cool about it. Literally, tip 11. BYOS. Bring your own snacks. Airline snacks are, how do we say this nicely? Tiny, weirdly chewy, and totally unreliable. The move? Pack your own snack kit. Trail mix, protein bars, dried fruit, jerky, even instant noodles if you're bold. Flight attendants will give you hot water. Bonus, it gives you control. No more waiting 3 hours for a mini bag of pretzels while your stomach growls. And don't forget, smell matters. Skip the tuna salad or boiled eggs unless you want death stares from row 22. Pack smart. Snack happy. Tip 12. Know the fake upgrade strategy. Want to sit in a better seat without paying the full upgrade price? Here's how. Airlines sometimes release discounted premium seats 24 to 48 hours before departure. Log into your booking a day before, check Manage My Trip, and look for seat upgrades. What used to cost $300 might now be $45. It's like buying leftover business class space. Sometimes you'll even find extra legroom economy seats for free if you just ask at check-in. Don't be shy. The worst they can say is no. The best? Free stretch. Tip 13. Don't touch the seat pocket seriously. Just don't. That seatback pocket is a black hole of germs, spilled coffee, and last flight's forgotten tissues. Studies show it's one of the dirtiest surfaces on the plane. If you need to use it, line it with a plastic bag or use your own pouch and clip it to the tray table latch. Better yet, pack a seat organizer or over-the-seat pouch. Amazon has plenty. It keeps your stuff clean, visible, and out of the creepy zone. Because that S not just a safety card in there, it's someone S old gum. You've been warned. Tip 14. Say no to bare feet. This one's part hygiene, part self-respect. Never, and I mean never, go barefoot on a plane. That carpet has seen things. Unspeakable things. People spill food, drinks, and worse. And yes, socks still absorb it. Also, don't be that person who puts bare feet on the wall, or worse, between the seats in front. Keep your shoes handy, wear slip-ons, and bring an extra pair of fresh socks if you're going shoeless for comfort. The sky is not your living room. The rest of us thank you. Tip 15. Master the power of eye mask plus earplugs. Want to hack sleep in economy class? Forget the seat. Control your senses. Light and sound are the two biggest enemies of mid-flight rest. That's why seasoned travelers swear by a high-quality sleep mask and soft silicone earplugs. Even when crying babies and cart clanks are doing their worst, you'll be out cold. Pro move, pop in calming music or white noise through your earbuds before you sleep. Layer the mask, pull your hoodie up, and suddenly your economy seat starts feeling like a cocoon. Not first class, but way closer than it should be. Tip 16. Airlines design seats to keep you uncomfortable. Let us end with the truth they don't want you to know. Economy seats are deliberately uncomfortable. Why? To make business class look better. The headdress doesn't line up with your neck. The lumbar curve is weird on purpose, and they shave off seat padding to fit more rows. But now you know, and you can fight back. Bring a lumbar pillow or roll up your sweater. Adjust the headrest wings to support your jaw, not just your head. And recline strategically, not all the way, but just enough to shift your spine into relief. Beat the design. Win the flight. If this helped you survive the mental and physical battlefield of flying economy, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this is worth sharing with more travelers like you. And if you want more sneaky airport and flight tricks every week, subscribe and join the Airport Tips and Tricks crew. Next video's already in your queue. Don't miss it. Safe travels, and remember, you're not flying economy. You're hacking it.